In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the "could not find user" error on ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I open up Google Chrome and type chatgpt.com into the address bar to head over to the website. Once the page loads, I go to the top right corner and click on the Login button. A Google sign-in prompt appears, so I click Continue as Diane May to automatically authenticate with my Google account. The system begins verifying, but instead of logging me in completely, it seems to hit a snag and prompts me to log in again to view the conversation. To fix this issue, I first need to clear my browser data. I click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the Chrome browser to open up the main menu, and then I click on the option that says Delete Browsing Data. This opens up a new Settings tab with a pop-up window. In this window, I make sure that the time range is set to All Time, so we can do a thorough clean, and then I click on the blue Delete Data button at the bottom right. Next, I want to make sure no conflicting browser extensions are causing the error. I click back onto the ChatGPT tab, open the Chrome menu via the three dots again, hover over Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. This brings me to the extensions page where I can see everything installed. I look through my active extensions, and since I see a ChatGPT for Gmail extension, I decide to toggle it off to temporarily disable it and prevent any background interference with the main site. Now that the cache is cleared and extensions are managed, I want to try accessing the site through an isolated environment. I click on the three dots in the upper right corner one more time and select New Incognito window. In the dark incognito address bar, I type in ChatGPT and hit enter to bring up the search results. I see the sponsored link for ChatGPT at the top of the Google search page and click on it. This brings me to the clean, logged out version of the ChatGPT main page. I click on the Log In button in the upper right corner, which opens up the standard log in and sign up modal. I selected Continue with Google to initiate the sign-in process again. This redirects me to the official Google account sign-in page where I type in my full email address and then click Next. On the following screen, I carefully type in my password into the input field and click Next once more to complete the authentication. The page processes the request, redirects through the account servers, and successfully logs me into the ChatGPT dashboard. If you are still experiencing issues on Google Chrome after trying these steps, a great alternative workaround is to try using a completely different browser altogether. I minimize Chrome and open up Microsoft Edge from my desktop search bar. Once Edge opens up, I go to the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and hit enter. I click on the official ChatGPT search result to open the website. The page loads completely fresh, bypassing any persistent session issues from the previous browser, and automatically logs me straight into the active dashboard interface without any errors. By clearing your data, managing extensions, trying incognito mode, or switching browsers, you can easily resolve the login glitch. That is how you fix the "could not find user" error on ChatGPT. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.